Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are on page 111, and our objective today is, today I will multiply one-digit numbers by multiples of 10. So a one-digit number is, remember, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. And a multiples of 10, they remind us in our vocabulary. So let's look at our vocabulary. Remember, factors are the numbers that are multiplied together. So an example could be 4 times 20. These are factors because I'm going to multiply them together. The product is my result or my solution. So the result or solution of 4 times 20 is 80. So that would be my product. Okay, the multiples are the products of a single factor. And then our multiples of 10 that we're going to be working with are 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it's like skip counting by tens. Okay, our steps are the same steps that we've been using. We're going to first say blank groups of blank. Then we're going to draw and write our groups. Then we're going to place our 10 blocks in each group and then count and write our statement. So remember what a 10 block is. When you draw your base 10 blocks, that's what 100 looks like. That's called a 10 rod or a 10 block, and then a dot is just called a 1 unit. So we're going to be doing our 10, I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, you couldn't see that. This is called our 100 square or our 100 mat, and this is our 10 block or our 10 rod, and then this is our 1 unit. So we're going to be using 10 rods. Okay, I'm going to get started right away. If you want to set your pencil down and watch me for a moment. Here is my first problem. It says, what is the product of 7 times 10? Draw a picture to prove your answer. Okay, well, if I follow my steps, that means I have 7 groups of 10. So 7 groups of 10. Okay, so I'm going to draw my 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and each group only can have 10 in it. So it's only one 10 rod in each group. Because each group, 7 groups of 10, they only get one 10 rod. Okay, so what is 7 times 10? Well, let's add these. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 7 groups of 10 is 70. And I could write that as saying 7 groups of how many 10s are in each group? 1 10 equals 7 10s. That's what we've been doing. So 7 groups with 1 10 in each means I have a total of 7 10s. Okay, let's look at my next one. This says, solve for the missing numbers. 5 times 40 equals blank. Well, what does this mean? It means I have 5 groups of 40. So let me draw my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. And each group needs to have 40 in it. So 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so what is my answer? Let's go back and count this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. Okay, so I have 5 groups of blank tens. How many tens are in each group? 4. Equals how many tens total? How many tens do I have? I have 4 here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's 20 tens total. So 5 groups of 4 tens equals 20 tens. Okay, let's try some of these together, ladies and gentlemen. We are on page 112. Page 112. And here is our first problem. It says, what is the product of 4 times 30? Draw a picture to prove your answer. Okay, so what does this mean? It means I have 4 groups of 30. 4 groups of 30. So let's draw our 4 groups. And let's put 30 in each group. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Okay, so 4 groups of 30. Okay, so 4 times 30 equals what? What's our answer? Let's go back and count these. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So our answer is 120, and then we have to write that statement again. So what do we have? We have 4 groups of 3 tens, because there's 3 tens in each group, equals how many tens do we have? We could skip count. Maybe we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or you could have maybe said 3, 6, 9, 12 if you knew how to skip count. But we have 12 tens. So 4 groups with 3 tens in each equals 12 tens total. And remember, use this format when you're working. Okay, let's look at our next one. It says solve for the missing numbers. 6 times 20 equals blank. So what does this mean? 6 groups of 20. Okay, let's draw our 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. And I need 20 in each. 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20. Okay, so let's add these up now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Our answer is 120. So what does our phrase say? 6 groups of blank tens. How many is in each 10 or group? 2 tens equals how many tens? How many do I have total? Well, I can definitely skip count this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We have 12 tens. So 6 groups of 2 tens means I have 12 tens total. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, remember, use these statements to help you write your statements, and have a great day. Bye-bye.